The E9 error code on your Hisense dehumidifier indicates a specific problem with the humidity sensor. This error prevents your unit from operating properly and requires attention to restore normal function. The humidity sensor is a crucial component that detects moisture levels in the air and communicates this information to the control board. It determines when the dehumidifier should operate and helps prevent overcondensation by monitoring environmental conditions. When the E9 error appears, it means the control board cannot properly communicate with the humidity sensor. This triggers a built-in safety feature that stops the dehumidifier from operating to prevent overcondensation and potential damage. Several factors can trigger the E9 error. The most common causes include a faulty humidity sensor due to dust buildup or wear, loose electrical connections, a dirty air filter that restricts airflow, extreme environmental conditions, drainage problems, or power-related issues. Before attempting complex repairs, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, reset the dehumidifier by unplugging it for 3 to 5 minutes, then plugging it back in. Next, inspect and clean the air filter, as a clogged filter is often the culprit behind the E9 error. If these simple steps don't resolve the E9 error, the issue likely requires more detailed inspection of the humidity sensor itself or its connections. If basic troubleshooting hasn't resolved your E9 error, the next step is to inspect and clean the humidity sensor. This sensor is critical for proper dehumidifier operation. Next, inspect the wire connections to the humidity sensor. Loose or corroded connections are a common cause of the E9 error and can often be fixed by simply securing the connections. If cleaning and securing connections doesn't resolve the issue, the humidity sensor itself may be faulty and require replacement. Replacement sensors are available online, and the process is typically straightforward. If the problem persists after sensor replacement, check for firmware updates on the Hisense website. Sometimes software updates can resolve sensor communication issues. To prevent future E9 errors, ensure proper airflow around your dehumidifier. Keep the unit away from walls and obstacles, clean filters regularly, and maintain adequate ventilation to prevent overheating and sensor malfunction.